What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing my brand new and first ever Queen's Beast coin. But really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Brand new video over there. Go check it out. The link will be in the description. Trying to hit 2,000 subscribers. And if you want to help support the channel by getting some DYDSS merchandise, of course we have some precious metal themed t-shirts and hoodies, which are up for grabs, along with a ton of other products, t-shirts, hoodies, even stickers, many of which are raising funds and awareness for different charity organizations. And of course the brand new Kraken Stackin' t-shirt, hoodie, sticker, and coffee mug, inspired by the beautiful 2-ounce silver Kraken coin. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance. It's more than appreciated. But today, I want to finally do a little bit of an unboxing and review. I did already open it up just to make sure I knew what I was going to be opening up. But I actually received this probably close to a week ago. This was supposed to be an unboxing video last week, but with the crazy spot price going up and up and up and up and up, I ended up making spot price update videos practically every single day for like the last week. So I want to do this finally today. This is my very first Queen's Beast coin ever, and I got it for a fantastic fiat dollar bill price tag. This is my second 2-ounce piece of silver, and it's my very first Queen's Beast coin. So I do not have any Queen's Beast just yet, other than this one right here. This is the first, and I'm definitely excited about it. I've never really been a coin collector. I've never really been all that interested in starting or completing sets and series and collections and whatnot, but wow, this is one scary looking beast. I mean, look at it. I'm just fooling around. It is the 2019 Yale of Beaufort. At least I believe that's how it's pronounced. Check that out right there. It looks almost demonic in a way. The Yale, that is one crazy looking creature. For those of you who do not know, the Yale is a European mythical creature. But as I said, looks almost demonic. Pretty crazy. So if I had a choice between all of the Queen's Beast coins that already exist, I would have 100% gone with the Griffin. I love the way the Griffin looks. That's definitely my favorite of all of the Queen's Beast coins so far. But the fiat dollar bill price tag on one of them was about double, maybe even triple what this one is right here. So for those of you who do not know the story, let me tell you about how I got this coin. And also, I want to tell you about how I got this thing for a ridiculously good price. A ridiculously good fiat dollar bill price tag. So initially, I was going for an eBay auction for a Queen's Beast. I had said that I had never stacked a Queen's Beast before in a video that I posted a couple weeks ago, and I decided to keep my eyes peeled. I decided to be on the lookout for one if I can get it for a good price, and I stumbled upon one on eBay. I placed a bid. Somebody placed a bid on top of my bid. I waited it out till there were about 15 seconds left. I placed a bid on top of theirs, and then when there was about 2 seconds left, they placed a bid on top of mine, and they won. And that was, I believe, the White Lion. So I did not win. So I did another quick little search, and this one popped up. It was a buy it now option, so no auction, no bidding, none of that. And it was an even lower fiat dollar bill price tag than the White Lion was. So I ended up getting this one right here, and the dollar bill amount that I paid at the time was, I believe, $49 and change. Now, that's when spot price was about $19 and change per troy ounce. Keep in mind, this is a 2-ounce silver coin. However, I got 10% off because I get 10% cash back on all of my purchases made through PayPal until the end of September. So if you deduct 10% from what I actually paid, it brings it down closer to $44, which, if you divide that in half, that's $22 per troy ounce. Not bad, especially for a Queen's Beast, because these things they're known for having a higher premium. So that's how I got it. That's how I lost an eBay auction, which ended up being a win because it helped me stumble upon this one right here. Absolutely crazy looking coin. I love it. And the Queen's Beast series, it gives me Harry Potter vibes. Now, I've never necessarily been a Harry Potter fan, but that's just what these designs remind me of. I mean, this right here, the dragon, the griffin, the witch. I'm just fooling around. But that's how I got it. That's roughly the dollar bill price tag attached to it. But there's one more thing that I want to talk about, and that is the fact that this is my second piece of silver of the 2-ounce increment. My first, as I posted about just maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, the Silver Kraken. I know the cases they are in, the airtights that they are in, they might be a little bit misleading because this one has the black border going around it, making the entire capsule significantly bigger. So the Kraken kind of looks like a bigger coin, but they are both 2 troy ounces of silver. Up until I got the Kraken, I had never owned a 2-ounce piece of silver before. So the Kraken was my very first, and funny enough, looking at it like that is not any bigger than a 1-ounce silver coin. The 2-ounce, it's twice as thick. So 1-ounce coins, pretty slim. 2-ounce coins are thick. However, I'm unable to really get a good peek at it because it's in this case, and I intend on leaving it in the case, which is why I'm happy that I finally got a Queen's Beast, and it's in this type of case, because if you turn it on its side, you can see how thick it is. Look at that right there. In comparison to a maple, pretty big difference. So you can actually see how much more physical silver content is in a 2-ounce rather than a 1-ounce. Not to say that it's all that big of a difference, but it's new to me because I've never had 2-ounce coins before. All I own, up until these 2 2-ouncers, have been 1, 5, and 10-ounce increments, as well as fractional silver, aka 90% junk constitutional silver. Silver quarter is about 1/6 of an ounce. Silver half dollar is about 1/3 of an ounce. Silver dime is about 1/14 of an ounce. I consider it fractional. So I've never had any 2-ounce pieces until I got the Kraken, and now my very first Queen's Beast. I love it. I'm happy with it. Definitely excited to add it to the stack. And I can't help but continue to keep my eyes peeled for more opportunities to get my hands on even more Queen's Beast coins. If I stumble upon, let's just say, the White Lion, or really any of the Queen's Beasts out there, for a really good deal, I'm going to pick it up. Not because I want to collect them, but just because I like the way they look. And if I end up completing the collection somehow, that'd be cool. But again, I'm not a coin collector, so it's not really anything that I'm interested in from a collector standpoint anyway. Beautiful looking coin, maybe not so much on this side, but £5. Cool looking coin. And it's only a 2019, so just from last year. I would like to get the Griffin one day. Carries a pretty hefty premium, so I don't necessarily foresee that happening unless I somehow get a really good deal on one, but definitely a nice looking coin, and I would like to have one. I just don't know if I can really convert that many dollars into just one piece of silver when I can get the same amount of silver for a significantly smaller dollar amount. The dragon is also a nice one. Carries an even higher premium than the Griffin, which is what I was just talking about. But I have several pieces of silver with dragons on them already, such as the Tiger and Dragon coin, or the Australian coin bar, which are definitely cool. I love them both. And I would never say no to the Queen's Beast dragon coin, but I have some pieces of silver with dragons on them already, so I'm just a little bit more drawn to the Griffin. But that's just me. That's just what I like. That's just my preference. The Falcon's pretty cool as well. They're all cool in their own right, but I just really like the Griffin. And truth be told, even if they were all the same fiat dollar bill amounts, this Yale right here, this would absolutely be my second favorite design of all of them. The Griffin being the first and the Yale being the second, so not bad. My very first Queen's Beast is my second favorite Queen's Beast. The Yale of Beaufort 2019, 2 troy ounce, 4 nines fine, silver coin. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below if you collect the Queen's Beast. I know I have some people who watch my videos, and I've talked about the Queen's Beast somewhat a lot lately without revealing which one I had. I've been telling people that I have a Queen's Beast that I'm going to be unboxing very soon, hopefully sooner rather than later if spot price can just calm down for a couple of days. But I didn't reveal which one it was. I decided to keep it a secret just to make the unboxing video a little bit more fun. But I've gotten comments from people in my videos, during my live streams, telling me that they have all of the Queen's Beasts so far. I believe the new one coming out is the Greyhound. It's been announced, but it hasn't been launched. But that will be a 2020 coin, brand new. So before it begins to carry a higher and higher and higher premium as the years go on, I'll probably be picking up one of those as well, regardless of spot price at the time. I know spot price is a little bit up there for a lot of us right now. $23, $24 per troy ounce of silver is kind of steep for those of us who are used to $13, $14, $15, $16 an ounce, but hey, it is what it is. I'll definitely be trying to get the Greyhound when that officially launches. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on the Queen's Beast coins, the series, in the comment section down below. Do you have any? Do you want any? Do you avoid them? Let me know in the comments. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. If you guys like me, make sure to subscribe. New videos every single day, 365 days a year. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Brand new video over there. Go check it out. The link will be in the description. Trying really hard to hit 2,000 subscribers. We just hit 1,000. I appreciate that. And if you want to help support the channel in the biggest possible way, please consider getting yourself some DYDSS merchandise. Of course, we have some precious metal themed t-shirts and hoodies, which are up for grabs, along with a ton of other products, t-shirts, hoodies, even stickers, many of which are raising funds and awareness for different charity organizations. And of course, the brand new Kraken Stackin' t-shirt, hoodie, sticker, and coffee mug inspired by the beautiful 2-ounce silver Kraken coin. Portion of the proceeds are going to be going towards ocean cleanup charity organizations at no additional cost to you. Comes out of my pocket, not yours. Link will be in the description. And once again, I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know, what are your thoughts on the Queen's Beast coin? Do you have this one right here? Do you have the Yale of Beaufort? Do you have any of the other ones? Is this one that maybe you're missing, or one that you want to get, or one that you just haven't gotten around to picking up just yet? Maybe you have this and you're looking for another one. Let me know your thoughts, anything and everything related to the Queen's Beast coin series in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.